MTT Validator Protocol is kind of like taking the cash you have at home and putting it in a bank to earn interest. What we need to do is just put the cash into a wallet. Pick a bank we like, then deposit the money from the wallet to the bank. Now that we've got the idea, let's see how MTT token starts multiplying through staking. First, you'll need to set up a crypto wallet. You can pick any popular wallet out there. Let's use MetaMask as an example. After registration, you can pin it to your browser for easy access. Important note: make sure to keep your private key and recovery phrase safe and never share them with anyone. Next, you'll link your wallet to the MTT network. Go to the website MTT Network, click Connect Wallet, and confirm the connection. Now you should be able to see your MTT balance in your wallet. If you don't see it, that's probably because your wallet is on a different network. Just switch it to the MTT network, and you are good to go. Wait a sec, our wallet is empty. Let's transfer some MTT from MTT Sports. Go to their homepage, open your wallet, click Connect Wallet, and confirm the transfer. Enter the amount you want to stake, and don't forget that transferring MTT will cost a small amount of gas fee, so make sure you've got enough to cover it. Once you enter your payment password and email verification code, your MTT will appear in your wallet. Now, back to the MTT network. Click here, but creating a node can be tricky, so let's just go for staking instead. Now you'll see a list of available nodes, kind of like different banks with their own interest rates and fees. Pick one that works for you, click Staking Options, enter the amount you want to stake, and confirm it in your wallet. Congrats! Your MTT is now making profit. If you want to unstake your MTT, you can do that here too, but just keep in mind that it'll be frozen for 7 days. I've been staking my MTT for a few days now, so let's check out how much has been earned. Click Mine, and you'll see all the nodes you've staked with. Here's your principal and interest, and you can claim your earnings anytime. If you want to become a node creator, or learn more about the details, head over to MTT Network for more info.